All right, so let's get you comfortable with the vocabulary and the look of Quest. So here we are on my teacher dashboard, and these are our class cards here. And at the bottom, you'll have a demo class where you can set that up. And so I'm going to click into the demo class, and on the left-hand side, we have the Quest icon here. So let's click into the Quest icon. This is called the world map, and we have kind of three islands, a fourth island floating in the sky here in this cool tower in the middle. All of these circles are different quests. So those should represent maybe an entire chapter, an entire learning unit that's going to take your students maybe a week, 2 weeks to go through. And let's click into a quest and kind of dissect it here. So before I jump in, the green quests are things students can see right now. The gray ones the students cannot see when they go to the map in their account. Let's click on this coronavirus quest that I pulled from our marketplace. We'll learn more about the marketplace in the next video. Here is the quest map view, and on the bottom right, we can click this plus. You can also use a trackpad and use your fingers to zoom in if you're using a device like that. You look for these circles. These circles are called objectives, and they are different locations the students will travel to in the map. This objective here with a home icon is the introduction. There's always one of those, and it's always the start of every quest. This objective here with the blue lightning bolt and this little waypoint symbol in the middle is a standard task objective. The blue lightning bolt means it's self-paced. That means that students can move themselves beyond this at their own pace. This objective without the blue lightning bolt, still a task objective, but not self-paced. We would call this teacher check-in. And so we see all the rest of these objectives are what? Very good, self-paced. And self-paced objectives, tasks, tasks, tasks. And here's a new one, this trophy icon, and this should always be at the end of the quest. This is a quest end objective, and it's going to just celebrate the end of the quest with the students. That's what the map looks like, what the objectives look like. Let's take a look in the objectives. So this is called the Progress Center, where you can manage and see where all students are within the quest. And here we have the introduction. You'll have different tabs in the Progress Center. An overview is going to show if students get a green check, then this is where they're going to go next. If they get a red X, then they won't go anywhere according to that. And then there's a story to set things up. If we click on the left-hand side, we'll go to new objectives. You'll always have the overview. But in this objective, it's a task objective, so there will now be the first task for students to complete. 3 questions to answer once they use the link that's found in the story. And then we have a settings tab. This is where you can change it to be self-paced or teacher check-in by unchecking that. You can enable assignments where students can submit assignments digitally here. You can change the due dates. You can change the time. You can give rewards for turning things in on time or early. And then you can open a class discussion or not. And you can completely delete the objective there. All of these tasks are going to have the same tabs because they're all task objectives. And the last one is going to just have the story to say, congratulations, you're done with the quest. So those are the vocabulary around quests and what a quest map looks like and how you navigate it. Next thing we're going to navigate together is going to be how to pull a quest in from the marketplace to get a ready-made quest into our class. I'll show you how I got that quest right there. Okay, we'll see you then. I hope that was helpful. Bye-bye.